Have you ever wondered how a modern train is made? Every day, millions of people travel by train without thinking about the incredible engineering hidden beneath the steel body. Building a single train is a massive project that combines advanced robotics, precision manufacturing, skilled engineers, and thousands of individual components. From giant steel sheets to a fully operational train capable of traveling at incredible speeds, the entire manufacturing process is truly fascinating. The journey begins with design. Long before production starts, engineers spend several months designing the train using advanced 3D computer software. Every part is carefully planned, including the body structure, passenger cabins, electrical systems, braking systems, suspension, and safety equipment. Engineers also simulate different weather conditions, strong winds, heavy loads, emergency braking, and even collision scenarios to make sure the train can operate safely for decades. Once the digital design is complete, manufacturing begins with raw materials. Large factories receive huge sheets of high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum. These materials are chosen because they provide exceptional strength while reducing the overall weight of the train. A lighter train consumes less energy, accelerates faster, and produces lower maintenance costs throughout its lifetime. The metal sheets are moved into computer-controlled laser cutting machines. Powerful lasers cut hundreds of different components with extraordinary precision. Every cut follows digital blueprints created during the design stage. Since modern trains contain thousands of unique parts, accuracy is extremely important. After cutting, the metal enters the forming department. Massive hydraulic presses apply hundreds of tons of force to bend flat metal sheets into curved sections that will become the roof, sidewalls, doors, and front nose of the train. High-speed trains require specially designed aerodynamic noses to ride. Finally comes the most exciting stage, track testing. The completed train is taken to a dedicated railway test track. Engineers measure acceleration, braking distance, energy consumption, ride comfort, vibration levels, stability, and noise. High-speed trains are tested at their maximum operating speed to confirm that every system performs exactly as designed. Special instruments monitor every movement during these tests. If any abnormal vibration, unusual sound, or electronic fault is detected, the train returns to the factory for adjustments before testing resumes. Only after passing hundreds of inspections and performance tests does the train receive official certification for passenger service. Modern trains are among the safest, most energy-efficient, and environmentally friendly forms of transportation in the world. They reduce traffic congestion, lower fuel consumption, decrease carbon emissions, and connect cities, businesses, and millions of people every single day. From advanced computer design and robotic welding to precision engineering, intelligent electronics, and rigorous safety testing, every train is the result of years of innovation and the hard work of thousands of skilled professionals. The next time you watch a train speeding across the track,